everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So as for the thumbnail, you have already seen what today's video gonna be, and this video indeed one of the most requested and one of the most viral products indeed in the general market and as well as on my channel itself. So I did occasionally comparison video on the Etude water tint and the Earth Rhythm tint, and you always wanted to see a dedicated comparison video, and here it is. So today I came up with the two viral products of theirs. This is a moreover water based tint, whereas this one is completely liquidy gel based tint. This one is moreover a Korean brand, Korean skincare emphasis wala thing we have here, and this one is very much Indian influence brand, so like Indian, made in India things. I think this one is made in India. If not, I will check and tell you guys. So we will see which one works best for the Indian skin texture and Indian skin type. Both of them retails quite for similar price ranges. It's between 350 to 400 where the ranges lies, and yeah, so we will be checking what are the hits and misses and which one is my personal favorite. So if you know by now, you must be knowing, but still we will be discussing how it goes. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. For that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I am Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Okay, so starting first thing first, we will be trying the Etude water tint right here. The packaging looks very sleek, the designing and everything, I just love it. Iska packaging to bahut acha hai. This one is in the shade called Cherry 8. This is what the shade name is. You will be seeing on the screen itself as well. Now, this particular shade, not about the shade, this particular formulation has certain hits and misses which we will be discussing right now. So let me first tell you how the shade look like. Okay, as I have applied, so with the help of the blush brush, I'm just blending it right away, and it looks something like this. Okay, this one indeed gives a very nice natural flush of color. You can see on my skin itself, and it's very light on the skin, and it feels like you own nothing at all. So that's the thing I like about this one. And if you're using a small amount also, it's highly pigmented. Pigmentation of this one is really great. But talking about the miss of this particular tint is that after some time, if you keep this blush on your face for some time and then you start blending, it does not blend. Okay, that's the biggest concern of this blush. Whereas, let me give you a demo for the matter what I'm saying. I am putting my blush here a little bit, the same Etude, okay, and keeping it as it is while I am blending on my cheeks. And after some time, so I'm keeping this at the back of my hand itself, and we will blend this after some time. While let me blend this one for you all. This one is a very nice lightweight. Mainly the main thing is that this one is a very nice lightweight blush right there, tint right there, and does give a very nice that tint of color, nice, flesh blood color that it gives. I really like it, and definitely this shade matches all the Indian skin tone. I can guarantee you that. I don't know about the rest one, the orange one. It has many different shades as well, but this one is my personal favorite in their range itself. Now, coming back to the blush which was there for some time at the back of my hand, this is the problem. See, if I start blending this now, it won't blend at all. ये अपने जगह से हिलेगा भी नहीं. So what I am trying to tell you that this blush, it is indeed one of the very lightweight, nice textured blush right there. Its formulation is good, but only problem with this blush is that after some time this does not blend. It is one of the viral product of theirs, the Etude, but I don't know why no one is talking about the fact that this does not blend after some time. So that's why I came here to do a comparison video, so that when I put the Arthur wala shorts, you guys are all there to ask me why Etude, show me Etude, and why, what do you think, what comparison में Etude का कैसा होगा. So this made me feel like do this video and talk to you all real thing. Like this is something, अगर blush properly blend नहीं हो रहा है after some time, this is not the thing, it should be blend whenever you apply. Okay, so that's the thing I feel this very much miss of the else. I really love how flush of color, how nicely it's done. मैं अगर जल्दी blend कर लेते हो, just applying it on my face, it does give this beautiful shade on your face itself. सबको ऐसा ही shade मिलेगा. But if we keep it for some time and try to blend this loses all its blendable property. But having said that, what is the best part of this product is that ये जगह से बिल्कुल भी हिलता नहीं after some time. So if you have a very sweaty kind of face, if you have like बहुत आपको hyper sweat होता है, so it will not just remove from the place. It stays exactly at the same position where you have placed it. So it does come with both pros and cons, and which I just mentioned. So this is my review for this particular shade and particular product. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next blush right here, which we have from Art Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. This one is more of a gel-like texture rather than the water tint, and this one does not have anything sort of mixing formulation. After some time, how it will blend or not, ऐसा कुछ भी लफड़ा नहीं है. This is really to the point. Let me show you how it works. I'm keeping it at the back of my hand as well. This is very much a gel-like, and the color of this one is so beautiful. Does suit high pigmented या फिर skin tone. Skin tone पे बहुत ही flattering लगेगा. And also in that matter, if any one of you is to my skin tone also, it will look very good. Indian skin tone के लिए ऐसे colors बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं in general, because they are dark and really pigmented. And this is how the blend. Oh my god, मैं हाथ से blend करके आपको दिखाती हूँ. This one, it blends so nicely that it will give you this color. I mean, I really love this one particularly. It's been more than 3 years or 4 years now. I don't even remember for how long I am using this blush, and genuinely it does not have any misses, because I cannot point any one misses of this, but oh my god, this particular shade. But yeah, so nicely blendable. This one is insane. It just gives you that dewy wala finish and more glossier, more that very much dewy and glossy wala glowy look after all. So this is, iska blendable property is insane. So yeah. So this is how it looked like, and my whole point is that if your face is very sweaty and if you feel like that your blushes does not stay at the place for a longer period of time, then go for this one. Just that make sure you are blending it very quickly just after the application on your face. While if you think that your face is not that sweaty, you need a very glowy, dewy wala look, go for the Art Rhythm one. This one you will love it. Both of them retails for same pricing, similarly 50 rupees slight difference hai, but this is what the comparison look like. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed how the hits and misses of this two works. And okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.